struggle at the South Pole. One day in the year 2000. Jim! Jim!
What's up, Inspector Blooper?
Where are you?
Over here at the desk.
Oh. Jim, bad news.
Must be to get you so flustered.
Flustered? Flustered? You remember, Jimmy Sparks, I am Inspector Ignatz Blooper. Yeah, I've been on the force 30 years now, and I don't get flustered. Now, look, Jim, the reason I came, we're going to the Antarctic.
Antarctic?
The Antarctic.
Wow-wee, do you mean the South Pole? Ice and penguins?
Well, I do not mean the South Pole in front of a barber shop.
But why? Why South Pole?
Why South Pole? Look, Jim, turn on your television.
All right. Gee whiz.
The transport ship burned for hours before sinking off the coast of Antarctica. She was loaded with supplies bound for a scientific expedition near the South Pole when mysterious jets began bombing her. Equally mysterious is the wave of bombings that have struck base camps of many countries with expeditions near the pole. One after one, these base camps have been attacked and destroyed. Remaining base camps have sent urgent pleas for help to United Nations headquarters and to Interpol, International Police Headquarters in Paris. Exactly how these two bodies could cope with the unexplained attacks was not made clear tonight.
Gee, that's terrible.
Yeah, and we don't even know who's behind it. Now, Jim, listen. Interpol has asked that I please escort you down to our new base camp with Gigantor.
Hello, Jimmy.
Hi.
Well, Inspector Blooper, you're here. Hello.
Hello,
Doctor, we're heading south.
To the pole? Then you've heard the news, and you're going.
Yes, sir. I'm going.
That's good. As a matter of fact, I just had a call from the Academy of Science. They, want me to help.
Good. Then that means you'll be coming along with us.
That's right. Inspector, read this notice.
Notice? From whom?
It's from a man who calls himself Dr. Katzmeow.
Right. He claims that he is the rightful owner of the South Pole. Bob, he's behind this trouble.
Gee, this man Katzmeow must just be some kind of crackpot.
Crackpot? Maybe. Whether crackpot or not, the man's clearly dangerous.
Well, why are we standing here? Jim, time's a wasting. Let's get going to Antarctica.
Right.
Hey! Stop, you thief! Come back here with my car! Well, hello, everybody. Dick, it's Dick Strong. Just a minute. Speak up, Dick. Why'd you take my car? Cool it. Take it easy. Take it easy? You go hot rodding in my car and you tell me to take it easy?
Sure, I can't speed up on the road. It's illegal.
Very funny.
Here's where we're going. As you already know, the Antarctic continent belongs to no one country.
No one's territory.
Right. But Antarctica is fascinating. Fascinating.
How, Bob?
Well, for one thing, the continent is very rich in its hidden mineral resources. Uranium, platinum, gold. Now, all those things are quite important in the development of a space program capable of putting a man on the planet Jupiter if necessary. And his rocket could be launched from here.
What? That cold place? Why launch a rocket from there?
Well, the Earth is really like a giant magnet. Now, suppose that...
Yes?
Suppose the poles could repel deadly radiation. They would be the safest place for spaceships to blast off and return to Earth.
They do repel radiation.
Right, Dick, and that's why all the major countries of the world are so interested in establishing base camps around the South Pole.
Then if we bring Dr. Katzmeow to justice, we actually help the entire world.
That's right, Inspector.
But how do we work at the pole? It's so cold.
I was wondering the same thing myself.
Yes, well, boys, we need to have special equipment.
Right. Yeah, I've heard say that the nights drop to 50 below zero.
Well, gentlemen, all I can say to you is that, apparently, Dr. Katzmeow has learned the trick of how to make cold weather work for him.
This is the captain speaking. We are now approaching the Antarctic danger zone.
Icebergs and whales.
Yes, and enemy territory.
Just Thinking about cold weather makes me...
Look, sir, enemy squadron!
What? Attention back there. Enemy jets dead ahead. Enemy jets dead ahead. Say now, that didn't take him long, did it? Quick, Humphrey, pull back on the stick. Quick, Jim, signal Gigantor.
Right. All right, Gigantor, get moving.
Hey, you a nut or something? Uh-oh, they got us, boys. We're hit. Not so bad, Humphrey. She's responding to all controls.
Look, they're retreating. What's left of them.
Good work.
That's enough, Gigantor.
Oh, there goes the engine! Stand by, everyone! Emergency!
Nice, boys. Bring her down safely. Hey, it's cold. It's cold. Oh my, what a place to be shipwrecked.
Gee whiz, there's nothing to be scared of, Inspector. I'll fly onto the base with Gigantor.
No, Jim. No flying with Gigantor. In this cold air, you'd be frozen stiff before you got there. Know what? Let's take the door of the plane and the seats and all the other parts and tie them together into the biggest sled you ever saw.
Into a sled? Oh, I see what you mean. Doctor, how much more?
Well, we don't have too much more to go. Our camp is about another 40 miles away.
Say, look at all the penguins. Don't they look just like men wearing tuxedos? Yeah, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Inspector, penguins don't crow.
Well, they can try, can't they? Tea. It turned to ice cubes. Ice cubes. This air makes even hot tea turn to ice cubes right in your cup. Oh! Hey, someone shot my teacup. It's the penguins. I thought they were so cute. Why, you...
Enemy soldiers! Here, Jim!
Thanks.
I'll fix it.
Gigantor, good work.
Jim, that was a hot one. Is everybody all right?
Okay, here.
No, wait. What happened to Dick Strong?
Wait a minute. Didn't he accompany you two?
You know, Dick Strong. Hey, Richard.
Where could he disappear?
Sparky, we don't know. Why, he could have been swallowed up by a glacier.
Richard! Dick! Dick Strong!
Oh, Dick! Dick Strong! Dick Strong! Dick Strong! Dick Strong! No use. Dick Strong is gone. We'll never see him again. Hope they don't discover me. Wow, a secret hideout. Hey, you.
Huh?
Why you keep staring at sunlight you see every day?
Well, it's worth seeing every day.
Say, you sound strange. Where you come from?
I'm new. I came yesterday.
Oh, Amerikanischer, huh? I am from Europe.
Oh, Europe? That's nice. And you?
Who, me? I come from Calcutta.
That's nice. That's a peculiar kind of tank, isn't it?
What tank? That's a spritzer.
A spritzer? What's that used for?
Boils water, then spritzes at the enemy. It's our best weapon.
Oh, a secret weapon.
You said a mouthful there, kiddo. It's enough to peel the enamel off the walls of an igloo.
Powerful.
But why are we wasting time? Why don't you come with me? We go swimming.
Go swimming.
Sure, we go swimming. Under the sun lamp. It's great. What's the matter with you? Why don't you know any of this?
Why, I guess I just forgot.
Defense Chief Brauhaus, Herr Katzmeow, did you defeat the robot Gigantor?
Sir, the robot is quite strong, much stronger than we had expected. We have been unsuccessful in bringing him down on his knees.
So, Brauhaus, you have failed me, yeah?
Yeah, forgive me.
Sure, I forgive you, Brauhaus, but next time you clean out the killer whale tank.
Yeah, there will not be a next time.
Better not be. Now, Max, are all the ocean machines set?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you should, yeah. I want you to find some way of getting rid of that overgrown sardine can.
Gigantor or simple, Doctor?
What? Simple?
Doctor, it's a cinch.
You know what happens if you fail. Now, while Schultz is taking care of Gigantor, I want to capture 1,000 men of Commander Mutton Chop.
But why not fight them out?
Fool! We can't do that. We have to capture them so other countries will be forced to recognize us.
You're so clever.
Once recognized, we force other countries to bow down. That is how we start to conquer the world. However, no one will bow down long unless he is convinced his master is stronger. You understand that?
Yeah, Dr. Katzmeow.
Therefore, you will do everything in your power to make us stronger.
Yeah. The base camp of Commander Mutton Chop.
Do you mean to say, Chief, that your army numbers only 1,000 men?
Yes, but reinforcements are on their way here. They're too soon. Perhaps another 50,000 men. Meantime, we have to defend this camp the very best we can.
Now on this map, enclosed by this small circle, you see, you have the zone in which many countries have constructed base camps. Wherever you see the letter X, Dr. Katmeow has destroyed a base.
Terrible.
And the worst part, because our enemy is so clever at hiding himself, we can counterattack.
Chief, you say the enemy is good at hiding himself?
Good, Dr. Brilliant. Great. Every day we send a patrol plane, to look for his hideout. But not only does the plane fail to find it, the plane gets shot out of the sky.
A terrible situation. If we can't clear it up, we'll be forced to abandon this base camp before reinforcements even get here.
No, sir. You can't. Don't.
Hello, Commander's room.
We're receiving a distress call, sir.
What? From whom?
From the convoy ship escorting our reinforcements.
What's the distress?
Our transport ships were attacked by mysterious submarines. They've been torpedoed and sunk.
Sunk? All of them?
Nearly all, sir. 18 of the 20. The other 2 were damaged and are being towed in by the escort ships.
What about survivors?
All survivors have been picked up.
So the enemy has a navy, too.
Sir, another distress call. Switching you over directly. Stand by.
This is Base Capricorn. Base Capricorn calling. We are being attacked by planes and tanks bearing strange markings. From here in the radio room, the mark looks like a flip Q. The letter Q upside down. We've never seen that mark before, Commander. We don't know why they're attacking, but we can't defend ourselves. No weapons.
That fiend.
Catch me out, all right.
Hold it! There's a tank heading right for the radio room, coming straight at us. Watch out! Watch it!
Wait, just you wait, Cat's Meow.
Tanks! Hey, there's a column of tanks moving up!
Oh, Jim, look at that. They've got us badly outnumbered. You better call Gigantor.
Go, Gigantor!
Now, all units ready. To start with, we have to lure the Iron Man into the open and get him ready for the spritzers. You get it? Fire.
All right, let them have it.
Hey, get away from that water, Gigantor!
Jim, get Gigantor away from there. That scalding water harms him. Make him fly. Get Gigantor into the air.
I wish I could, Doctor. Oh.
Commander, isn't there something we can do?
Nothing. That robot was my last resort, Chief. But Cat's Meow is smart. He wraps him up in a casing of ice.
Oh, what the devil. Scalding spray that turns to ice.
Attention! As you see, Gigantor is frozen helpless in a shell of ice. Surrender or we destroy you!
Give up. Oh, no. No deal.
Inspector, you got a big mouth! We give you 24 hours to think it over.
Look!
Get ready to fire.
Hold it! Hold it! Hold your fire! I'm not an enemy driver! I'm on your side!
Hey, that's Dick!
What? It's who? You're right. Dick Strong.
Right. First soften the ice with hot water. Good. Now let's try it here.
All right, men, let's move up the kerosene.
Let's go, Gigantor! Let's go! It's working!
Look, the ice is cracking!
Good work, Jimmy. That's the beginning of the end for old Cat's Meow. I found his base. Follow me.
Let's go!
Bottoms up! So, tomorrow they surrender. That's good.
Dr. Cat's Meow! The enemy is attacking our base!
It's an enemy attack! Ach, du lieber! Now, how did those stupid fools find my secret base?
Ready? A little surprise.
In there! They're all in there!
Again, but I'll show him. I'll blow up his base myself and then return to headquarters.
Look there! What's happening?
The underground base! It's going to explode! Back up! All units back!
Where's Gigantor?
Oh, no, don't tell me Gigantor went up into smoke in that inferno.
Wait, he's safe. You see, he's safe.
Well, of course he's safe. You didn't think he'd go up in smoke in that inferno, did you? Is there really something to cheer about? Is this really the end of Dr. Cat's Meow? Gigantor, the space robot. You're coming, Gigantor, the space robot. Quicker than quick, stronger than strong. Right.
Huh?